The refrigerants we recycle are transported in heavy steel cylinders. Every cylinder has to be lifted, and every cylinder has to be rotated, and every cylinder has to be weighed, and every cylinder has to be recorded. We can only process a cylinder, we can only transfer the chemical after we've done this work. Our frontline people have to do this day in and day out.
We would have to go into the crate physically and pull up the cylinder. They're almost 80 pounds if they're full, so that's 80 pounds you constantly picking up. That's a lot of tear on your arm. I played football and stuff in high school, so I had a problem with my rotator cuff, you say, whatever, but it wasn't nothing serious. I just presented to the owners one day that my arm was starting to really bother me more than it has, and is there anything that we could do to make the job easier?
So we spent a lot of time thinking about this problem with the lifting and the unpalleting of the cylinders and the individual handling of them. And searching online, looking for other case studies, talking to vendors. We looked at cranes, we looked at exoskeletons, we looked at what technology is out there. And when we found the Easy Arm, it was simplicity and perfection all in one. They absolutely changed the whole complexion of the job. Now the arms can do the weights, and our employees can work longer hours. They can have higher productivity. They go home in a better mood. They're more likely to volunteer for overtime. They like their life better because they're not being physically punished at work. And on top of that, we've been able to bring in other operators to spell them who maybe wouldn't have the physical stature to be able to do this job the old way, where we had to actually lift each cylinder manually.
I mean, anybody can do it. It's so easy, it picks up, and there's nothing on your arm. It's amazing. Personally, it probably saved my career for real.